Hey guys, my name is Raina and I am a new independent consultant for Paparazzi Jewelry. I have been wearing this jewelry now for a few months myself. One thing that I absolutely love about this jewelry is that it is both nickel and lead free. So this is great for people who have allergies to jewelry. In the past, such as myself, I used to get really red skin and super itchy when I would wear jewelry. And this Paparazzi jewelry has been perfect for me because it is super comfortable to wear. I find that to be a huge plus. I absolutely enjoy all the pieces. One of the greatest things about this jewelry is that every piece is only $5. In the beginning, that was something I questioned a little bit, like, is this jewelry really worth it? Is $5 gonna give me quality jewelry? After trying it, I can definitely tell you that it is so worth it. And another thing that I absolutely love about the company is that every piece is unique to its own. And each day they are releasing new pieces, which makes it super fun. Today I got my starter kit and I would really love to share that with you guys. We're gonna do a sneak peek of some of the pieces that I have. I'm not gonna be showing you guys everything because I'm gonna be doing more of that in some of my live videos that you guys will see later. But I definitely wanna give you guys a sneak peek. So let's see the box. So this is the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I have been waiting all day to show this to you guys. And I literally did not open this myself just so that I could do this awesome reveal with you guys. I can't wait. It starts off with this super cute like bubble wrap. Love that. I'm sure I could use that for something. And then we have tons of jewelry. This will be super exciting when I get to open all these pieces and show all of you. Super cute. Lots of colors, fun for spring and summer. We've got some pretty blue stones. I might like that one. Some cute bracelets. And I think there's about like at least 35 pieces in here, so you might be able to have a lot of fun. Some brassy pieces, silver, pink. Okay, so now we have this really big box. It says, "Welcome to Paparazzi." How cute. A little welcome package. How cute. Okay. And then I've got a little party planner. Stuff things in there. Oh look, there's another box to open up. Let's see. I've got some display hooks. So I want to do a little wall of all my jewelry behind me. So that'll be useful. And then let's see. We've got another big pink box. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's see. So we've got some little welcome papers. We've got a cool little sticker. I can put that on my car or anywhere maybe. More checklist, consultant papers. Ooh, some little cards. Ooh, what are these? It says free bling is a beautiful thing. Buy 12 accessories and get the 13th free. That's super fun. So, and you guys that fall in love with this jewelry, get 12 pieces and get one free. Let's see, a little consultant plan, order book, or consultant paper. Ooh, let's see. Do a little neck. So this is gonna be my jewelry neck that I'm gonna be using in my live video to show you guys each of the pieces. So when I go live, I'll display a piece here on the neck, and each piece will have its own little number. I can label them for you guys while you're watching and then choose your pieces. I've got some cute thank you card, some more little cards for parties. This looks like a little jewelry repair kit and some super cute pink bags. for when you guys go shopping. Let me make sure there's nothing else in there. Oh, there's some little things on the bottom. Maybe some like advertising things. Ooh, welcome to the party. Advertisements of the jewelry. Okay, so that's everything here. So how about I show you guys a few pieces of the jewelry. We'll use my little neck. Let's see if I can get that to stand up. Okay, as my number one little sneak peek. How cute is this? Okay, I love that. It's like a blue stone. So we'll put that on the neck. How cute. I absolutely love that. So this will be how I'm showing the pieces to you guys. It looks like a little blue stone, almost like desert stone necklace. Every necklace, which is super cool, comes with its own free pair of earrings. So that's piece number one that I'm showing you. Let's see some others. Ooh, this looks pretty. It's like a brass piece. Here's another necklace with its pair of earrings. And this is super cute because it has like a brass look to it. Nice little charms, and then the earrings to match perfectly with it. Okay, and let's show you guys one more piece. How about something? Ooh, how about a ring? Since I've shown you guys two necklaces already, I'll show you one of the gorgeous rings. And what's also super nice about Paparazzi Jewelry is that they always will put out pieces that complement each other. So if you have a necklace with certain stones, whether it's out at the moment, usually they will always put out later something to complement each piece. So this piece here complements that necklace that I just showed you guys. So again, those blue stones, blue desert stones, I think that is so pretty. All right, guys. So those are the three sneak pieces that I wanted to show you. I think it was pretty cool to open my starter kit, so I'm super excited to get started with you guys and showing you all of the fabulous other pieces that I have to get started on those live videos, because I think those are going to be pretty fun. I think right now it would be a great time for a lot of us at home to have a little bit of some retail therapy. I hope you guys will love this as much as I do, and I look forward to having fun with you guys. Thank you.